Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari Banki Vihari. These three great personalities are here, Brajaraj and Govardhan Yamuna. And any one of these, Yamuna Prem Pradata, Giriraj Prem Pradata, Brajaraj Prem Pradata. Oh, I wear my moja. I don't want to touch. I wear my juta, moja, juta. Both amangal, abhagya, unfortunate. How many, your whole life you're only doing a sharir seva. What about atma seva? Serve your atma, don't wear shoes and socks. This Brajaraj can give you mukti, give you bhakti, prem. This Yamuna Devi, Yamunaji, she can give prem, bhakti, mukti. Giriraj can give bhakti, prem, mukti, everything. Haridas Varya. So I feel so sad because old days, in the 77, 80, no one wears shoes, no one wears socks. All new evolution in Maya, evolution, yatra evolution. Devolution, it's not evolution, it's devolution. Devolution, it's going backwards. Yatra means walking, yatra means tapasya. Madhvacharya went to see Balaji, Venkateshwara Balaji, Tirumala Hills. He didn't walk, he went on his knees. He went up like Gopal, he crawled on his hands and knees. And they stopped him and said, why are you doing this? You're an acharya. You're an acharya for all of South India. Madhvacharya. He said, these Tirumala Hills is Anantashesh. These Anantashesh is Bhagavan. Balaji, Venkateshwara. I won't put my feet on Bhagavan. Now people go in a bus, up there. Helicopter. No pain, no gain. It's a bus. It's yatra bus. Well, so many times I go around. I would never ever see shoes, ever, socks, never. Old lady, old man. Now it's, even in the temples and white people wearing socks. Not only, there used to be socks, now it evolved one step more. Socks plus little shoes. Shoes is shoes, it's juta. No, these are all baby shoes. Only cloth, little bit of cloth, 50 rupees shoes. How unfortunate to somehow be able to touch the land of Vrindavan